Hello everyone, this is Noman from Aman Art Studio and I'll be talking about creating your first business logo. So, there are two types of people. The first one is the technical people and those who don't have any technical background and are late to designing and all the stuff. I would just suggest one thing. If you are starting up a business and you just need your first logo and you can't pay for the logo as well as you don't know how to use the logo designing tools like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop etc. So you just need an initial step. So the first thing that will appear in your mind is the concept of the logo and the idea behind that logo. So if you don't have any creative knowledge, so I would just suggest that to go and check out the Wix logo site. As you might have seen in most of the YouTube ads that it appears the Wix logo, but most of us just ignore it by clicking on the skip ad thing. But if you try it, so you would get one thing, that Wix logo is not free. Actually, it charges you $25 per logo. But the most important thing that you can get from Wix Logo Maker is the idea of your logo. Like if you don't have any kind of background related to graphic designing and you don't know that how the are the aesthetics of your logo and how the typography will appear and the fonts and the color schemes and all these things, so you can try it out. You can try it by just clicking out the Wix logo maker. So as you can see, I have already created so many others logo as well. So I will just click on the new logos button. So it will ask you create a logo yourself or hire a designer. So we would just need the concept and creativity of a logo, as well as you can use this logo in your platform. I will tell you in the end of this video. So just click on a create a logo. So while creating a logo, you will be asked for two things. The first thing is the name of your logo and the other thing is the tagline that appears apparently below the name of your brand. So as our channel name is Ahmed and the tagline is Ahmed Art Studio, so we will just go with it. So after clicking on the let's go, so they will ask about the domain, the area of your logo, like what kind of logo do you want, so and what is the purpose of your logo. So as Ahmed Art Studio is totally related to photography studio, so we'll just go with photography studio. And they will ask you about your logo and feel. Like this thing basically depends upon your personal choice. Like I will just go with fun and dynamic feel, and I need some kind of fresh kind and creativity in my logo, so I would just select this. And after that they will show you some samples. Actually they are doing it just to train their AI machine that is used in it, like what kind of logo do you want. So I would just go with randomly with this one and this one, this one, this one and this one. Yeah, so they will ask that where do you want to use your logo. So there are several options. I will just use it for my business card, so I will just click on the business cards and click on the next. So based on my suggestions and my data, they will give me a lot of samples related to my logo. As you can see, there are so many options, Ahmed Art Studio, and so many logo ideas in it. So you can just go with any one of your choice. Like now, as I have told you at the start of video, like the concept. So if you are new to graphic designing and you don't know that how your logo will appear, so you can just grab a concept from it and start working on it, like in tools like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator etc. But if you want it, you just need an initial step, and in order to start your business and you don't have that much investment, so you can just copy it by clicking on the logo, and you can just take a screenshot of that particular logo and just crop it and use it in social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube, whatever. So this is just a simple solution. If you want that, how can we edit this logo in Photoshop and we can get the proper and required from format, like the PNG format for the YouTube logo, as well as for Facebook, and the resolution, etc, etc. So I would teach this thing in the next video. Let us know in the comment section, and as we are new to YouTube, so a like and thumbs up and notification will be a great thing from your side. So keep supporting us. Thank you so much for listening to us, and if you have any query, let us know. Thank you so much. Goodbye from Ahmed Art Studio.